Alright, this is what it turns out like. Cut it 4 inches. Perfect cat. Use bungees, maybe zip ties. Hold her down. But look, buddy online was cutting theirs all the way down. I didn't do that. I bent mine in so I could secure them on the side because people were having an issue with stability. This thing's solid as a rock. And you can see where I cut the top one all the way off, and then I bent the rest. I'll show you on this one. So I took these off, took the tank out, cut it the long ways, took this whole section out, and then lower I'll cut it here, 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 and all the way around. And then likewise I left this, cut it here, 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 remove that, cut it along the base of this, and then I'll snap these out, which I'll show you. Cut the top using a piece of pipe as a straight edge. Come over here, draw 4 inches down, and I'll move it, hit it here, opposite side as well, then I'll turn it, do the same here, make a straight line to cut, perfect.